Next question is find a rational number between find a rational number between find a rational number between 1 upon 6 and 5 upon 3. So first step is to make the denominator equal, means take LCM of 3 and 6. Take the LCM of 3 and 6 equal to 3 6 का LCM 1 2 6. So 1 upon 6 into 1 into multiply both the numerator and denominator with the same number. So here we have to bring 6, so 6 into 1 into upon 1 into 1 upon 6 into 1 upon 6. Now 5 upon 3 into 2 equal to 10 upon 6. Here 1 upon 6 and here is 10 upon 6. 1 upon 6. Next decimal number will be 2 upon 6, 3 upon 6, 4 upon 6, 5 upon 6 up to 9 upon 6. So in between 1 upon 6 and 10 upon 6 there are 2 upon 6, 3 upon 6, 4 upon 6, 5 upon 6, 6 upon 6, 7 upon 6, 6 upon 6, 7 upon 6, 8 upon 6. So these are the rational numbers lying between 1 upon 6 and 10 upon 6. Find three rational number. Find three rational number. Find three rational number between 2 upon 3 and 4 upon 5. So first we can take the LCM of 3 5 is 50. 3 5 is 50. Both are 3 into 5 15. To make the denominator 15 5 times 3 into 5 equal to 10 upon 15. Next one is 4 upon 5. We have to make here 15 to 3 times into 3 equal to 12 upon 15. So here we have to we have to write three rational number between. We have to write three rational number between 2 upon 3 and 4 upon 5. 2 into 5 equal to 10 upon 15, 10 upon 15. Now again, we have to multiply here 2 because we need three rational number. In between 10 and 12, only one rational number is 11 upon 50. So again, multiply it by the 2. Again, 2 equal to 20 upon 30. Here again multiplied by 2 with the denominator, also multiplied by the same number with the numerator, equal to 30 upon 30. Now write in between 20 upon 30 and 30 upon 30 there are 21 upon 30, 22 upon 30, 23 upon 30, 24 upon 40, so on. Now exercise 1.9. Exercise 1.9. We have to represent minus 9 upon 11 between on a number line. Here we have to represent on a number line. This is the number line. Here is the 0, and this value is greater than 0 but less than minus 1. So take as a minus 1. In between 0 and minus 1 total part is 11. Mark it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Here we have to write minus 9 upon 11. This is the 1 time, 2 time, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this represents minus 9 upon 11 on a number line. Numerator tells us about the how many parts it is taken. Minus 9 upon 11 is represented here. Next is minus 3 upon 3 into 1 upon 4. So this value in between minus 3 greater than minus 3 but less than minus 4. So minus 3 into 1 upon 4. So we have to write on a number line. So here is the 0, here is the minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, here is the minus 4. So in between minus 3 and minus 4, total is the 4 part. 1 part, 2 part, 3 part, 4 part. So we have to write minus 3 into 1 by 4. Here it is cleared. It is cleared here. It is represented minus 3 into 1 by 4. 2 by 4. This is the minus 3 into 2 by 4. Minus 3 into 3 by 4. Next we have to represent minus 4 into 3 upon 4. So it is cleared here, written here minus into 4, minus 4 into 3 upon 4. So this is greater than minus 4 but less than minus 5. So minus 4 into 3 upon 4 is in between minus 4 and minus 5. So represent it in the number line 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and here is minus 4. In between minus 4 and minus 5 total 4 part is 1 part, 2 part, 3 part, 4 part. 1, 2, 3. Here we have to represent minus 4 into 3 by 4 on a number line. Here question number 4. Write 4 rational number. Write 4 rational number. Write 4 rational number less than 2. Less than 2. So less than 2 means it is here 0, 1, 2 and left side of 0 is the minus 1, minus 2, minus 2. So here 2 is here. So we have to write the 4 rational number less than 2. So 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 2. So 4 rational less than 2 is क्या हो जाएगा? That's this answer is 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 3, 4. So 4 numbers है minus 2, minus 1. Below the less than 2 is means here 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, so on. So there are 4 rational number. Which one is minus 2, minus 1, 1, 0 are 4 rational number. Which one is the less than 2? We know the rational number 0 is also rational number 0 upon 1, 1 upon 1, minus 1 upon 1. This is written in the P upon Q form and where both have P and Q are integer and Q is not equal to 0. Every integers are rational number.